Hello and welcome. My name is Jonathan Emmanuel, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress. You can design websites without need of an internet for those of us that are learning how to design websites. Before I continue with this video, I would like to urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you gain any value from this video, please do well to give me a thumbs up. Also, after subscribing, do well to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe channel, the subscribe button. Okay, I'm down to the training. We're going to be installing WordPress on our local host, local server. That is to say, we do not need any internet to get this done. To go on with this, we'll be needing a software which is free. You can just Google XAMPP. XAMPP stands for any Apache MySQL PHP, or you can also search for WAM. You can get any of them online. Just go to google.com and then search for XAMPP or search for WAM, and you'll be able to get any of them you want. Alright, so so I already have XAMPP installed on my system. What I'm going to do is to activate it and then get it running. I'm going to show you how that is. Let me search for XAMPP. Okay, that is XAMPP control panel. You install it first of all. If you don't have it, go to Google like I said and get it. So you make sure Apache is running, make sure MySQL is running. These are the two very important ones. But what I do most of the times is I just turn on all of them, make sure they are all running, and then there's no bad parts to that. Just make sure they are all running, and we carry on from there. You can see now this is running, this is running, this is running, this is running. Tomcat is not actually running, but there's no problem with it. So I'm going to minimize this or close it. Of course, it's still here on my notification bar. And then what I'm going to do is, if you check, my internet is still on. But remember, I told us that we do not need internet to get this working. So I'm going to deactivate my internet. I'm going to disconnect it now. Okay, so my internet is not connected at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll go to my browser. And then I will type localhost. I want to be sure that my XAMPP is running. Good. If it takes you here, then indeed your XAMPP is running. So we want to work on WordPress. What you simply do is download WordPress. You need to go to WordPress website www.wordpress.com and download WordPress. If you go there, you'll be able to get the latest version of WordPress downloaded to your PC. So I think I have WordPress downloaded somewhere on my PC. So I'm going to search for WordPress, and then we're going to work with it. Okay, this is WordPress that is already downloaded. As you can see, it's in my download folder. So I'll just copy this. I'll copy the WordPress. I'll go to my drive C. Once XAMPP is installed, you'll see XAMPP folder as soon as I enter your drive C. So I will enter XAMPP. I'll go to htdocs, and then I'm going to paste the WordPress here. As you can see, I already have WordPress here. I pasted before. We call it preparing for this training. After you paste it, the next thing you're going to do is to extract it so that it comes to a folder format, because it normally comes as a zip file. So I already extracted it. That's why it's telling me yes to all. If you've not, then it will extract. I'll go ahead with the extracted one, which is this. What I'll simply do now is I'll open this. I'll see another folder inside called WordPress. I'll copy this, take it back here, and then I'll paste it here. Okay, so what I'll now do is I will rename this to the name of the website I want to create. Let's say the name of the website is Web Design Prof. Okay, so I'll just rename this to Web Design Prof, and then you can see if I open it, I have the other files and folders inside. So next thing I'll do, I'll go back to my browser, go to my XAMPP localhost, and then I'll go to php my admin, Okay, so sorry, let me zoom this out a little. php my admin, and then I'm going to create a new database so that it connects with my WordPress software. So the name of your database should be the same with the name of your WordPress file here, or your WordPress folder, Web Design Prof. As you can see, the same name. What I simply did, in fact, I had to just copy it so that I don't make any mistake. I had to copy the name exactly as it is. I went here, I clicked on rename, and then I copied it so I don't make any mistake. So I go back to this place and I just had to paste it there. Alright, so I leave everything as default and I will click on create. Okay, database has been created. So what I'll do next is I'll go to localhost. Let me create a new tab for that. I'll go to localhost / the name of our database, which is the same as the name of our website we are creating, Web Design Prof, and then I'll send that. Okay, so you can see we are beginning our WordPress installation, and I will say let's go. Database name, of course our database name is Web Design Prof. Our username is root. Use root, that's the default username. Our password, we'll leave it blank because there is no password, and then the database host, leave as localhost. You can set your WP prefix, anything you choose if you like. If you don't, leave it as default, and then the next thing you do is to click on submit. Okay, everything is working fine so far. Then you run the installation. Alright, the next step you do, you put in your site name, Web Design Prof. That's actually for professional, and then you choose a username and then a password. You can see this is a very strong password. What I strongly advise is you copy your password as it is here and your username and save on a notepad. So I'll save this here. I will also copy this and save it, paste it on WordPress so that I don't lose it. But if you're using a public computer, please, I don't advise this. Probably you get a notebook and then you save it there, or you write it down, or you use something you can easily remember. Of course, I do not have that time to start cramming everything I have here. No, I can't. But this is an example of a very strong password. The next thing you do, you put in your email, support@webdesignprof.com. Okay, and then I will want search engine visibility. Once I'm done with this, I will just click on install WordPress. Okay, this is my personal computer, of course, so I'm going to say save, and then WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. This is my username, they are reminding me, and then my password. So I can log in now. To my administrative backend. I'm logging in, and yes, the dashboard. So this is how you install it on your local server. You do not need an internet to get this done. You can also check the front page of the site to see if truly it has been installed. Okay, so this is what we have. This is our site so far, and then this is how you can install WordPress without internet. For those of us learning how to design websites, you don't need to pay for megabyte and all that. Just get your laptop, get the softwares, and get designing. Thank you for watching this video. Jonathan Emmanuel is still my name. If you got any value from this video, don't forget to click on the bell icon and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my other videos every day, every time I try my best to bring out more videos, including videos that you can use to make money online and design websites without breaking your head. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my other video. Thanks.